Morning. So most of the people you are aware ChatGPT is very powerful tool from Microsoft. So today we are going to see how we can use ChatGPT for our day-to-day Salesforce work. So you can use for code generation purpose also. So if you have some code requirement and you want to generate using OpenAI, you can do it. Let's check it. So right, trigger, trigger for account Salesforce. It's take a while, so it will give the code snippet also. So with an description, in this above example, trigger is defined before insert, before update and event. So this is like a template. So whatever the actions you want to do it in the insert and update, you can going to write here. And for example, write WC component from items to display grid example code is. So it given all the code like HTML JS file. So it is like a template, so you need to modify according to your requirements. So in a JS file, so you can put this item values and you can do whatever manipulation you want to do for according to your project purpose. And also it will, if you want to learn the Salesforce and you want to have some small project ideas to learn, for example, Salesforce sample project ideas for beginners, LWC graphics. It will wait for some time and it will give. See, these are the some examples you can try. You can build a expense tracker. So this expense tracker, what it will do, it will create a expense tracker application where user can log in expenses, categorize them. You can create a so what are the records you need, objects you need to create, like you need to build custom object, that is expense record, and you can create one LWC components for expense entry and display. And in order to do backend logic, you can write a apex class. So the another project idea is task management. So if you want to manage all the tasks, right, so you can build a small application in order to maintain the uh, task tracker, like a task tracker, and contact management, sales dashboard, event registration, customer report. So these are the some sample ideas. So if you want to practice, so you can take any of idea and you can try to build a small LWC component so that you will get familiar with the LWC apex and all. So thank you guys, thank you, bye.